As the police officers are driving, a female officer suddenly sees a woman standing in the middle of the road. Panicked, she urgently tells the driver, "Stop the car, quickly!" The driver slams the brakes, but when they look ahead, there's no one there. Confused, the officer insists, "No, I just saw someone!" A girl was standing right there, trying to stop us. Determined to investigate, she steps forward, but as she moves closer, the mysterious figure vanishes into thin air. Feeling uneasy, she decides to search the nearby forest. As she ventures deeper, the same girl appears again, this time looking distressed. With tears in her eyes, she pleads, "They killed me. They pushed me off the cliff. This is my child. Please bring me justice and catch the culprits." With this revelation, the full story unfolds, leading the officers to a shocking truth. Like and subscribe to the channel for more.